Hey, it's your girl Chantel Brooke. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to just show you guys how I attempted my very first half up, half down quick weave. Y'all, it was really easy. It was time consuming, but it was very easy. So the very first step is, of course, taking out your section for your ponytail and just putting that in a little ball. And then next, you want to make sure that you take out the correct amount of baby hair, because once you put this cap on, you're done. Like, you can't make more baby hair up here or whatever. So just make sure that you take out enough baby hair on both sides. So you have two options. You can either mold your hair down or braid it down. I decided to just braid my hair down. No, I'm not that good at braiding, but I figured that was better than trying to mold when I don't even know how to mold. So anyways, I am going to put the cap on top, so the braids really don't matter as long as the hair is kind of semi-flat. So I just got this regular cap from the beauty supply store. I'm using the cap so that I won't have so much glue stuck to my hair once it's time to wash everything out. You're going to glue around the ponytail, behind the baby hair, around your ears, the nape of your neck, and you're going to dry that with a blow dryer or just let it sit for a while, but it's easier to just, blow dry it. Then you're going to get some scissors and you're going to cut in the front, and then once that splits apart, you're going to just cut the remaining pieces all around. And then when you come to the part with the ponytail, you're just going to cut a little bit on the side and then carefully cut the remaining pieces. Make sure that you don't cut your hair, girl. Then you just spritz that down to make sure that it's sticking. So y'all, this is the first bundle. I did lay these tracks down very close to each other because I did want my hair really full in the back, but this one bundle took me halfway through. So with the second bundle, I spaced the tracks apart because I didn't want the top of my hair to be really fat, but I did use the entire bundle. So right here, I'm at the top and I see that I have probably like room for 2 more tracks. So what I did was I cut one track in half and I put half on the left side, then I put the other half on the right side. Yeah, I'm so sickening and I know it, but I really did need help with the glue in this last track. I didn't want the glue to get on my leave out for my ponytail. For the last track, I'll always apply it starting from the left side all the way around the back to the right side. This is to make sure that everything just appears neat so that when I put my leave out down, I won't have any problems with, tracks being, like lifted or anything. It would just be like one whole track. So once I was done with that, I just took my hair out of the ponytail and I started parting out my leave out so that I can cover my tracks, but making sure that I don't take out too much leave out because you want to make sure that your hair blends in with the weave really good. So after you part out your leave out, make sure that you flat iron your hair really good. That's a major key. Make sure you flat iron it really good so that it blends with the weave. So being that I am natural, my hair usually doesn't blend in with the weave. So what I use is this heat protectant, and not only does it protect my hair from the heat, but it makes my hair really silky so that it blends with the weave really good. Okay, so to put my hair in a ponytail, I use this Jam Super Hold. This jam works like really good. If you don't have the jam, you can use your edge control, whatever edge control that you're using. They both work perfectly fine. So next with my edges, I use the Style Factor Edge Booster. This is like the best edge control I've ever used. If you do edges, you know. Some edge control, it either gets really oily or it flakes up, but this edge control works really good. So right here, I'm just wrapping my hair up into a ball. Then I'm going to bobby pin and spritz it up so that it will be easier when I apply the bundle to make my ponytail. So when I went to the beauty supply store, I thought, to my knowledge, that I was getting 3 packs of 1B color hair. Unfortunately, I got 2 1Bs and the ponytail, which is the shorter bundle. I believe it's a 2. That's why it's so brown. And y'all, I did not realize it until this moment right here. Talk about being blowed. So to make the ponytail, I double the bundle and I get a strand and I wrap that around the base of my ball and I secure it with a bobby pin. So once you have the bundle secured to the ball, you wrap the entire bundle around the ball while securing it with bobby pins. Then when you get to the end of the bundle, you take another strand of the bundle and you wrap that around the entire ball again. So for the base of my ponytail, I'm going to get a little piece of the bundle and I'm going to wrap it around and I'm going to spritz it and blow dry it so that it stays in place. So this is the final look of my first attempt at the half up, half down. I really believe this came out way better than I expected. I love my baby hairs with it. I love the length. I love how I did the ponytail. I love everything about how I applied my first half up, half down quick weave. The only con to this hairstyle was the brown and black hair. And my birthday was the next day, so I was just going to thug it. I was just going to, you know, say whatever and just rock it how it is. But I just could not get jiggy with the two-toned hair. So the next morning, I went to the beauty supply store and I just got me, you know, a 1B pack of hair so that I can just apply the bundle over so I can make my ponytail the same color as the hair in the back. So I'm basically just doing everything over again. I just wanted to show you guys the process over and how it looked with the black hair. It came out the exact same way. It's just the same color now. So it did come out the exact same way, but being that this is my birthday hairstyle, I went out and bought some flexi rods so that I can do some curls. To get these curls, all I did was dip them into hot water. I let the flexi rod stay in for like an hour and a half, and when I took them out, this was the result. I really love the way it came out, like the curls, everything just came out really, really good. Come through curls with the girls and all of them. This is the final look, y'all. I really love my hair. It turned out exactly the way I wanted it to look. Like I said before, this is my very first time doing a half up, half down quick weave on myself. Well, altogether, this is my first time. I'm really feeling my hair, obviously. But yes, please leave in the comment section your tips on when you do your half up and half down. I know some of y'all are like stylists or whatever, so just let me know it's good. If you like this video, if you learned something from this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to your girl channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. Peace.